cake gallery. Let's pick a cake mat. Tap to select. Now let's make the dough. Tap to add ingredients. Tap to add the flour. Tap to add the salt. Tap to add the butter. Tap to add the egg. Tap to crack the egg. Tap to add the yeast. Tap to add the milk. Ready to mix the dough? Stir the dough with a whisk. Good job! Choose your cake base. Tap to select. Dough is ready. Tap to pour the dough in the base. Good job! It's time to bake. Carefully drag the cake inside the oven. Tap on the button to bake the cake. Let's add some yummy frosting. Tap to select your favorite. Drag and apply frosting all over the cake. Pick any toppings you like. Just tap to select. Let's decorate some more. Tap to select accessories. Ready to add a message? Tap to select your favorite banner.